Step into the 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a trip computer, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.